Welcome to Potan 2010 train modelling fans. Here we have this year's layout, which will probably be next year's layout as well, given the amount of glue involved, where we have 3 tracks: a central track with the talus that's just gone by, going past the points where the shuntings and sidings are. An outer rail which has, coming up here on the side, a 1940s freight locomotive pulling coal wagons. And that's going on the outer track. And then on the inner track, a rather beautiful 1950s freight locomotive, but also did passenger duty, substituting for the Flying Scotsman at the moment and pulling passenger carriages. Now the new features, apart from the trees which are along the side of the track and the telegraph poles, are a beautiful copse of trees done by Bryony, Reese's girlfriend, including a little man in the middle there. It's really rather beautiful. Another new feature is somewhere to go shopping. And we now have a Super U, in fact the Matignon Super U, where people can stop off on their train and do their shopping. In the little village we now have skips and a bicycle shop and some 1960s cars, a war memorial, and a Nissan hut in the stockyards. Railway stations are much as they were. Here's Niedlingen. And just over the other side, another small German railway station. So that's it. 3 circuits all running nicely. Some nicer than others. This one does bump a bit there. And there we go. I think that's quite enough railway trains.